Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonurai from Gladi Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you about some of the shortcut commands which are used in a annotate category. Here you can see this is the annotate. If we click this, you can see some of the commands here, and you can use shortcut commands to save your time. So the first one is DI. So if you will type DI on your keyboard, you can see this is the align dimensions. You can see my mouse here. You can see this align dimension is activated, and you can take the dimensions horizontally. Here you can see this is the DI for align dimensions. So next one is DL. So this is for detail line, and you can start making detail lines here in your project. You can see this is the types of detail lines you can use, and you can see this is the category. And if you want to use some of other types of line, you can use that also. So you have to type DL, so it will save a lot of time. So next is EL. So this is for spot elevation. So you can see this spot elevation is activated. So if you'll go to your elevation view here, and I'm going to any of the view here, and you can type EL, and you can make a spot elevation here. So it will make a spot elevation here to any distance. Here you can make a spot elevation. So this is for spot elevation. So next is FR. So this is for find and replace. So I'm going to type FR here. So you can find and replace this drawing here. So you can find something here in your drawing, and you can also replace with some other category here. So this is not of much use. And next is GP. This is for model group and creating a group, detail group. So I am going to type GP here, and you can see here you can create a group. So you can also select any model here, and you can add something, and you can later on you can add or remove that group, and you can finish that thing. So you can also create groups by going to architecture here, and if you go to select this one, and you can see here you can displace element, and you can see this one create group. So shortcut command you can also see here GP. So you can create group here also. So if you want to create some lift and staircase group, you can just select this and hit GP, and you can type your lift stair group. So lift stair group, and you can click OK. You can see this is group is created, and you can copy to other plans or any other project here. So we can create a group. So this was for creating a group. So these are the some of the few shortcut commands which can be used in annotate category, and you can save some of your times. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.